Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Dodge Charger key fob battery. It's a simple process that you can do yourself with just a few common items. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 3-volt battery. Having these ready will make the replacement quick and easy, getting your key fob back to full power in no time. Now, let's get your key fob open. First, locate the small release latch on the back of the fob and slide it to remove the emergency key. Next, find the small notch or slot near where the emergency key was. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it to begin separating the two halves of the casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Pay close attention to its orientation, usually with the positive side facing down, before gently prying it out with your screwdriver. Now, take your new CR2032 3-volt battery and insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive side is facing down, just like the old one. Press it firmly into place. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing and press them together until you hear them snap securely into place. Once the fob is reassembled, slide the emergency key back into its slot. Finally, it's time to test your work. Go to your Dodge Charger and try locking and unlocking the doors to ensure the new battery is working correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.